CFMS is a research and technology organisation. We're not for profit, so we're not driven by delivering product or generating intellectual property or owning intellectual property.
We are an independent engineering research centre focused on the computational engineering, so accelerating engineering design using advanced simulation methods. We use technologies as well as high-performance computing. We make use of model-based systems engineering, AI and data science to help find novel ways to help design new products.
The main clients that we have are in the aerospace, automotive domains, but also we're working in construction and wider transportation and energy.
We support Rolls-Royce and Airbus in their use of computational fluid dynamics and structural analysis. So that might be aerodynamics around the aircraft, it might be aerodynamics travelling through an engine.
That means we are moving large amounts of data around our network. Connectivity is absolutely critical in that, so having an Ethernet that performs well is a key performance indicator for our business.
Using Mellanox Ethernet hardware with Cumulus OS allowed us to automate the deployment of our network. Deploying new services would previously have taken days and now takes hours or minutes.
For us, the main advantage is the very dense form factor and the end-to-end solution, and that allows us to deploy new solutions very, very quickly, and it makes our life easy.
Being able to use Mellanox end-to-end in both our InfiniBand and our Ethernet networks means that we have a trusted connection from every server to every other server. Products like the half-width Mellanox switches allows us to get a lot of ports into a very small space within the rack, so it means we can fill our rack with as much computation rather than having to sacrifice it for network connectivity.
The performance of the system gives us such a huge advantage. Again, it allows us to deploy solutions possibly an order of magnitude quicker than we would do normally.
Because CFMS is a not-for-profit, we're not being driven by making people rich. Instead, we're being driven by selecting the right technologies for the task, by doing the right thing.
For an engineer to be in that kind of environment, it's a superb place to work, and that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.